Hello and welcome to another short video tutorial. In the last video we imported an Excel DMRL file in order to batch create some empty data module shells. In this video we'll demonstrate the third and final way in which you can add data modules to the system, and that's by using the Create New Data Module dialog. To create a new data module, make sure you're in the DMRL view, then click the Create New Data Module button. If you can't see this button, it'll be because your allocated role on the selected project doesn't have this permission. This can be changed by the super user or project administrator if required. In the dialog, you will see 5 tabs. In the first tab, enter the DMC of the data module. The model identification code will be pre-populated from the project settings, but it can be changed if you wish. Next, go to the second tab and enter the tech name and info name of the data module. In the third tab, you can pick from various lists to select your document type, security classification, country and language codes. For the document type, custom document types can be loaded into the system to enable company or project-specific data module templates to be chosen. This is useful if, for example, you want pre-populated text in the new data modules you created as opposed to a blank data module. Uploading custom document types will be covered in a separate video. In the fourth tab, pick from the available lists of originator and RPC codes. The fifth tab is just a summary of the information provided. Once satisfied the details are correct, click Save to create the data module. The data module record will be created and available to allocate and start work. In the next video, we'll look at data module life cycles, including assigning data modules and putting them through a workflow process.